Hey everyone, welcome back to my video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get Sora 2 for completely free. But just a quick reminder before we start. Sora 2 hasn't been rolled out everywhere yet, so if you're blocked when trying to log in, it might be because it's not available in your country yet. But there's a workaround for this, which is by using a VPN, which if you do not know how to get one, just search on YouTube. So alright, without anything further to say, let's get started.
You have to subscribe to Martify on YouTube. This is the page right here. Just hit that red button. Subscribe now.
You know what to do. Ready? 3, 2, 1, boom, subscribed. And hit that bell so you never miss a drop. Appreciate you. Welcome to the crew.